Hello everyone, I'm L'Oreal Wayne Milinet and I will discuss about Willard Mitt Romney. Who is Willard Mitt Romney? He is an American businessman and politician who served as the 17th governor in Massachusetts from 2003 to 2007. He was the Republican Party's nominee for President of the United States in the 2012 election, but lost to Democratic incumbent Barack Obama. Raised in Bloomfield Hill, Michigan, by his parents Lenore and George W. Romney, Mitt Romney spent 2.5 years in France as a Mormon missionary starting in 1966. He married Ann Davis in 1969, with whom he has had 5 children. By 1971, Romney had participated in the political campaigns of both his parents. In that year, he earned a Bachelor of Arts in Brigham Young, and in 1975, a joint Juris Doctor and Master of Business Administration at Harvard. Romney then entered the management consulting industry, and in 1977, he secured a position at Bain & Company. Later serving as its chief executive officer, he helped lead the spin-off company Bain Capital, a highly profitable private equity investment firm that became one of the largest of its kind in the nation. His considerable net worth estimated in 2012 at $190 to $250 million. Helped finance his prior political campaigns. Willard Mitt Romney was born on March 12, 1947 at Harper University Hospital in Detroit, Michigan, the youngest child of automobile executive George W. Romney and homemaker Lenore Romney. His mother was a native of Logan, Utah, and his father was born to American parents in a Mormon colony in Chihuahua, Mexico. Of primarily English descent, he also has Scottish and German ancestry. A 5th generation of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, LDS Church, he is the great-great-grandson of Miles Romney, who converted to the faith in its first decade. Another great-great-grandfather, Parley P. Pratt, helped lead the early church. Let's talk about his personal wealth. As a result of his business career, Romney and his wife have a net worth of between $190 and $250 million, including the retirement account worth between $20 and $100 million. Most of that wealth has been held in blind trust since 2003, some of it's offshore. An additional blind trust valued at $100 million in 2012 exists in the name of their children. In 2010, Romney and his wife received about $22 million in income, almost of it from investments such as dividends, capital gains, and carried interest, and they paid about $3 million in federal income taxes, for an effective tax rate of 14%. For the years 2010, their effective federal tax rates were above 13% with an average rate of about 20 rates. Romney has tied to the LDS Church regularly and donated to LDS Church-owned BYU. In 2010, for example, he and his wife gave $1.5 million to the church. Or should I say $1.5 million to the church. The Romney family's Tyler Charitable Foundation gave about $650,000 in that year, some of which went to organizations that fight diseases. Oh, that's good. For the years 1990 to 2010, the Romney's total charitable donations as portions of their income averaged 14%. So, thank you for listening. That's all. Thank you.